welcome back. I made this sourdough, and instead of me baking this one and having a bun, I think I'm more interested in turning it into some cinnamon rolls, because I'm a fellow that likes cinnamon rolls, and I enjoy baking, and I haven't had a cinnamon roll, so not a sourdough one. So let's turn this one into, stretch this one out and turn it into some cinnamon rolls. Well, now sourdough is a totally different dough. It's gorgeous to work with. Flour your top for a bit. She always bounces back, so I've never tried to roll sourdough before. Get them nice bubbles in her. I don't want to over roar because I don't want to take the bubbles out of her. So she's a nice looking dough. Wow. I'm going to have the flour down a little bit more. She's a sticky dough too, you'll see that when you get to her. She's quite a sticky dough. She stretches and bounces back. So my wife says to butter her, and I'm using my hands. This is my kitchen, and I've been feeding myself for 58 years with these hands, so I got them washed. So the wife says butter the bread, the dough. Now I told her yesterday I was going to try this with sourdough, so she went to the shop and picked me up some cinnamon and sugar mixed. So I don't have to do one thing and then do the other, so just do it all with that fellow. This looks nice. And this buttered nice. Stretch nice. I love working with dough, always have. There we go. Now I gotta wash my hands again because I got full of grease. So the butter's on, the dough is stretched out. The oven is preheating. So when I get the sugar and the cinnamon spread on, I guess I can roll her up and cut her. I should have opened it before at a time, but sometimes, you know, don't think of everything, right? So, sugar and cinnamon mix. know where she got this one to. Somewhere in Baybert. I'm assuming the dollar store. I think she just said dollar store.
No, sorry, co-op.
Co-op in Baybert. There you go. Oh, smells so good. Think I got plenty. Okay, now I was going to roll them up. Get a nice little roll going. Woo! Smells so good now. I'm going to come on this side. Give she a nice roll. Come on, don't go sticking on the table. She's sticking on the table a little wee bit. Come on, there you go. There we go. Now, that is so nice. I got a tray. The oven is preheating. So, a knife stuff. If you, the wife is a Pinterest lady, so look, that's a cool idea, what? Books, and they owe you knives. So, it's Reader's Digest that we had up to the cabin. So now to cut these into nice cinnamon buns. And see how they're going to do. Probably an inch and a half thick, or probably, yeah, an inch and a half thick, I'd say. So don't you think they look gorgeous? Woo! Smell the cinnamon and sugar. It smells so pretty. I think just for the sake of me, I think I'm going to sprinkle some more when I get this done. Just on the top of them. Now there's a big one for my grandson, Mr. Reed. Okay, I think I'm going to give him a little sprinkle again. Maybe I should have put some space between them, but I didn't. First time, folks, so I'm going to add a little bit more of the goodness of the cinnamon sugar. No, these don't rise, they're sourdough. They rise in the oven. So that was a good question she asked. This is my first time. She said, should I put them back and let them rise a little before I put them in the oven? But my answer was no, sourdough rises in the oven. So let's just see when this oven gets on. Oh, she's already on 325. So they're going in the oven, and when they comes out, I'll give you a look and we'll have a taste test. Yeah, so I just slid them in the oven, and had a little off-camera chat to the wife. She wanted to know, was I going to leave them to let them rise? But sourdough usually rises in the oven, so it's my first time too, so we're going to see, right? So they're in the oven and I'm going to bake for 20 minutes. So I'll come back after 20 minutes and we'll certainly share this reveal. And I'm going to boil a kilo because if these taste like they smell, I'm certainly going to be having one with a cup of tea. So they've been sitting in the oven now. And it's sourdough, so I think I'm going to spritz them. Create that little tiny bit of steam in the oven. It makes the dough. So they're out of the oven and I want to do a dough test. I usually do that with just a little toothpick. I'm looking for dough. So that was 20 minutes. Oh, look at that. I think that's the one I might eat. So I'm going to call those done. So there we have it, a batch of sourdough cinnamon roll. I'm going to make a cup of tea now and have a taste test, and I'll pick you up on that one as well. So they're out of the oven, folks, and this is condensed, sweetened condensed milk. So I got the lid pulled and I'm just going to drizzle. Oh. They're still nice and warm. They smell very, very nice. And I'm drizzling over some condensed milk. So if you're interested in the start to finish videos, they're all there. Start off with the one that says, oh, sorry, let me move you. Sorry about that. So if you're interested in the videos for sourdough, there's one that starts making the starter, and then it's making the dough, then it's baking the bread, and then baking the cinnamon roll. So if you really enjoy baking, and when you're stuck in the house on a day that's, well, it's a beautiful day out, so I can't say you're stuck in the house because of the weather, but if you're in the house, just make a batch of cinnamon buns. They're really delicious and they're really good for you. So I'm going to try these right now and let you have a watch. So I'm going to crew this one up with a nice little taste test of the cinnamon bun. So it's sourdough, so it takes a little while. I've got a nice tang of sourdough. Got the nice cinnamon and sugar sweetness. Yeah, I think I can really enjoy this stuff. So I'd like to say a shout out to all the people that follows me on my videos. There's moose hunting videos, to out fishing with my son Matthew, to mainly, and I mean mainly, out in the garden with me and Doreen and watching our Newfoundland Gardener channel. So I'd like to thank everyone for that. It is lots of snow on the ground. We're still only March month. So I'm going to be going up to work in a couple of weeks. I won't get home until probably June month. So once I goes away, I'll be working and there'll be no videos. But Doreen will be planting. She's going to get everything planted over there. So if you really want to try to do this, then follow the videos. They're all there on this page on my channel. It's the videos are all listed there. Take a look. Take a look at his fishing. You might enjoy it. Take a look at me do something. Follow some recipes. That would be that. When I get totally bored, I make some videos on recipes. So anyway, thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate it, and have a great, blessed weekend. Bye everybody.